Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss JIPMER PG 2020 June session examinations recall based question. Uh, in this video I will discuss around 100 plus questions, and another video I will discuss rest of the questions. So let us discuss. Firstly, most common type of autosclerosis is anterior type. Not an indication for emergency cesarean section is CPT. Most common site for foreign body obstruction in esophagus is cricopharyngeus. A female presented at term with painless vaginal bleeding should not be done. What should not be done? Per vaginal examination, because it is a case of placenta previa. In the next question, otalgia is due to all except laryngitis bullosa. Not should be done to reduce the incidence of uterine prolapse after the delivery. Hormone replacement therapy. Next question. A patient presented with hoarseness of voice to operative is CT OPD. CT examination show tumor along the tracheoesophageal area. Which nerve most likely injured? Recurrent laryngeal nerve. Not a cause of फर्न पैटर्न का काज क्या नहीं है? तो हाई प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन. इट इज ड्यू टू दी हाई एस्ट्रोजन, नॉट प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन. टेस्पाल इज रिलेटेड टू एपिस्टासिस कंट्रोल में यूज किया था. 19-year adolescent female having amenorrhea and abdominal pain. What things are not supposed to be suspect? Dysamenorrhea not should be suspect. A patient has a knife injury to hypoglossal nerve. Which of the following muscle is responsible for the deviation of tongue? Genioglossus. Next question. Treatment of stage 3B carcinoma cervix is concurrent chemoradiation. Which of the following reinfection to mother does not affect the fetus? Rubella infection, torch infection. Obese lady diagnosed with PCOS. First line of management, lifestyle modification. Which of the following risk factor for invasive mucormycosis except hypertension? Not a sling operation, Manchester's operation, Fothergill's operation. For vertigo assessment, hint: head impulse, nystagmus, test of skew. Complete mole is 46xx. Which of the following is not included in third stage of labor management? That is uterine massage. First sign of puberty in female, growth spurt. Most common cause of death in carcinoma cervix, uremia. Which of the following decreases sperm motility except running? Running doesn't decrease the sperm motility. Minimum sperm count is according to WHO is 15 million per ml. Patient with hyperparathyroidism, on investigation there is adenoma in the inferior parathyroid. So answer is third pharyngeal pouch, because it develops from third pharyngeal pouch, inferior parathyroid. Most appropriate investigation to detect the superficial perineal endometriosis is laparoscopy. Injury to middle of the sternum at the level of fourth intercostal space. Which cardiac chamber affected? That is right ventricle. Which marker antenatally checked are all except, that is AMH. Inability to flex elbow, unable to supinate, injured nerve also associated with loss of sensation in lateral part of forearm. Next question is Carl Exner body seen in granulosa cell tumor. Patient presented with hoarseness of voice, tumor between the esophagus and trachea. Most likely the nerve injured is recurrent laryngeal nerve, because it only nerve that go inside and turn over the arch of aorta. So this nerve should be injured. Not required in diagnosis of PCOS. Insulin resistance. Radial nerve injury, where do you check the sensation? First dorsal wave space. Most common Muscles responsible for lateral rotation of arm, teres minor. A lady with 28 years comes to infertility clinic with elevated FSH level. What could be the probable cause? Premature ovarian failure. Next question is ankle reflex root value is S1. Nucleus involved in Pepage circuit, anterior thalamic nucleus. Claire Betke test positive plus with baby hepatosplenomegaly. Hepatosplenomegaly plus KB test positive, that is suggestive of erythroblastosis fetalis. Next question 38. Not a branch of first part of maxillary artery, deep temporal. Aberrant right hepatic artery, superior mesenteric artery. Sign of internal genitalia, Hagar sign. Dynamic stabilizer of patella, vastus medialis. Patient presented with hematuria and abdominal pain on CT, abdomen and aneurysm visualized compressing the left renal vein beneath the aorta. What is the most probable site of origin? That is superior mesenteric artery. Complained of recurrent memory loss on testing. In interview he answered event of last 24 hours, but later on were found it was imaginary. Phenomena is confabulation. A patient on mania was started on lithium therapy. After 1 week, partial improvement in the symptom. Serum lithium level was 0.5 milliequivalent. Next best management is increase the dose of lithium. Dose of diazepam required for alcohol withdrawal 40 to 80 milligram per day. Speedball is cocaine plus heroin. A married female schizophrenia patient is on antipsychotic treatment. Risk of schizophrenia in children 15 to 40%. False about narcolepsy. Type 2 narcolepsy associated with cataplexy. Antenatal drug which causes the neonatal thrombocytopenia is thiazide. Next question is organ independent metabolism in opioid seen in remifentanil. Diazepam dose in alcohol withdrawal syndrome 5 to 10 milligram IV. CV not used for the knowing which drug resistance, rifampicin resistance. Treatment of choice for Plasmodium vivax malarium is in 7-year-old child is chloroquine. Insulin independent glucose uptake seen in kidney. Drug not used in Crigler-Najjar syndrome is irinotecan. Fibrosing mediastinitis causing the organism. Which organism causing the fibrosing mediastinitis? Histoplasma. An elderly diabetic female who was not achieved target level of HbA1c after metformin therapy. She was prescribed canagliflozin. What is not side effect of drug? That is cardiovascular event. Oral anticoagulant rivaroxaban. Next question is hypertensive patient with furosemide treatment. Which is correct about the electrolyte? Hypokalemia. Hypertensive crisis due to sudden clonidine withdrawal. Upregulation of alpha-1 receptors. Anti-cancer drug with side effect of cerebellar toxicity. Cytarabine. Not used drug for MRSA. Piperacillin. Subdural hematoma head injury patient with high ICT intracranial tension to be going for surgical drainage. Which anesthesia to be used? Thiopental. In post colorectal carcinoma treatment, which drug produces side effect of mucosal diarrhea? Hematologic neuropathy. 5-fluorouracil. Next question is proline replacing aspartate at B28 position. Which insulin is? It is spart insulin. Not a radiosensitizer. Mercaptopurine. Patient in ICU with antibiotic therapy of amikacin and ciproflox and developed diarrhea. Appropriate management is vancomycin. MI patient having repeated ventricular tachycardia despite DC cardioversion and lignocaine. What should be do? Amiodarone is given. Which of the following not used in pleurodesis in malignant pleural effusion? Metronidazole. Middle-aged man came to emergency room with restlessness and agitation, accompanied by his friend. And on examination BP 22 120, heart rate 45/65, and history of anti-obesity drug likely causes if hypertension encephalopathy, and the drug used was phenylpropanolamine. Next question is 3-month-old infant with complicated UTI is an IV antibiotic investigation needed to be done. One less than 1 year, all investigation is done. 18-month-old child with nephrotic syndrome vaccine given is PCV 13. 5-year-old child with bilateral congested conjunctiva, lip and tongue erythema, periangual desquamation, Kawasaki disease. It is a characteristic feature of Kawasaki disease. Next question is febrile status epilepticus lasts for 30 minutes. Neonatal jaundice with normal GGT level, familial intrahepatic cholestasis type 1. Myotonic dystrophy, wrong statement, decreased severity in subsequent generations. Male child consanguineous marriage with history of renal failure, lenticonus and hearing loss. Lenticonus and with hearing loss, Alport syndrome. Not seen in Klippel-Feil syndrome. Shortened sternocleidomastoid is not seen in this syndrome. 5-month-old consanguineous child with severe vomiting and white appearance in eye. It is a case of galactosemia. Next question. 8-month-old child cough for 5 days, respiratory rate 58 per minute, chest indrawing, bilateral hyperpigmented lung, no fever. What should be the diagnosis? It is acute bronchiolitis. Garrett tetrad is seen in L-captonuria. In gluconeogenesis, step stimulating pyruvate kinase steps up glycolysis, pyruvate carboxylase. Next question, VNTR full form, variable number of tandem repeat. Most characteristic feature of Wien-Gerke disease, hyperuricemia. 6-year-old child with fever for 7 days and sore throat for 2 days, whitish oropharyngeal deposit and surrounded by red areolar area, that is herpengia. Not an indication for NBSU. Hyperthermia greater than 38.8. 32 to 34 week baby known as moderate preterm. Child lethargic and sunken eye and delayed skin pinch, severe vomiting since 2 days. What is the next step? IV fluid. Risk factor for endometrial carcinoma except OCP. Child presented with steatoria, acanthocyte. What is the diagnosis? A beta lipoproteinemia. Which type of kidney graft rejection can be managed once established? Acute. How long PDS suture take to get the absorbed? 180 days. Not true about the achalasia. Sustained multi-peak contraction on manometry. Accidentally patient is alert but confused. Tachycardia, a 3D pulse and amount of blood loss. Then what is the amount of blood loss? It is a case of class 3 shock and amount of blood loss should be 30 to 40 ml. Grade 4 splenic injury, vital stable, next stage management. Vital stable, immediate laparotomy, but it is a patient of grade 4 splenic injury, so immediate laparotomy with splenectomy. Serum glucose for HbA1c 6%, 125 mg per dl. 45-year-old female patient came with 5 cm hard lump with previous history of benign breast disease whose biopsy and HPE report is lost by the patient. Guys, option for this question is not so clear. In the next question, high anion gap metabolism acidosis is seen in salicylate poisoning. A female with history of eclampsia, DVT, and abortion before and the lab report is anticardiolipin antibody positive. It is a case of APLA. Next question, which of the following is not AIDS defining illness? Carcinoma of ovary. P-value significant, hypothesis accepted, but in reality no effect of drug is seen. This is which type of error? It is alpha error. Not a DD for right iliac fossa pain, left uteric colic. So these are 102 questions, and in next video I will discuss another half of this video. So keep in touch guys and subscribe my channel. Thank you.